Hey everybody, I'm Kris Gethin, CEO of KAGED Muscle, and I'm going to explain to you a couple of things about creatine that you may not know. Now, regular creatine monohydrate does have some drawbacks. Creatine monohydrate is a scientifically established performance enhancer, and it's considered the gold standard of all creatines, but it has two drawbacks. Regular creatine monohydrate users are all too familiar with the struggle to mix it in water and watch it gradually settle to the bottom like sand while wondering, is this all going to get absorbed? Number two is not so commonly reported in clinical studies, but you'll find plenty of individuals online who say that they have difficulty stomaching creatine monohydrate. Creaclear is a creatine monohydrate coated in a microscopic layer of whey protein, and it's the coating that protects the creatine in your stomach and allows it to mix clearly and easily in water. Try it and see. Creaclear helps your muscles crank out more reps and recover faster between sets. And loading with Creaclear helps you gain size much faster. It's certified by Informed Sport to be free of substances banned by the NCAA, IOC, WADA, US Armed Forces, the MMA, bodybuilding, and powerlifting and weightlifting federations. There are zero additives.